Michael, ladies and gentlemen, from Fowlerville, Michigan, rocking out some guitar for y'all tonight. Mr. Pete Johnson in the house, and we are here with our friends at TRITT Foundation for Jeep Night at Birch Run Speedway and Event Center.
When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, always be good boy, don't you ever play when gone. I shot a bang in Rio, just to watch you ride. I hear that whistle blowing, I hate my head and cry. Because rich folks eating drum, dancing, dining cars, they probably drink coffee, they smoking gay cigars. Well, I knew I had it coming, I know I can't be free. Those people keep moving, and that's a torture. Oh yeah. Well, they freed me from this prison if that railroad train was mine. I bet I'd move on a little farther down the line. With off in Folsom Prison, well, that's where I want to stay. Well, I let that lonesome whistle blow my blues away. Well, I got friends in the low places where whiskey drowns in the bed, traces my blues away. And I'll be okay. Hey, I'm not a leg on social races. Think I slip on down to oh, I got friends, yeah. Places. All right, y'all gotta sing the chorus now. Come on.
I want to thank all of you for coming out. I'm telling you, being the flag man was an awesome job because there wasn't one person that went by me that wasn't smiling from ear to ear. They had a blast out there doing it. I want to thank my volunteers that helped with the moguls and everything else. Participation was great. I think that we had a great turnout for a first ever turning a Speedway into a Jeep night.